Hi guys, I will stop posting for a while. I very much have to stop because of a storm of bad weather like events happened, and my device started working in V and I regained control, and then it started to work in V again and again, and then it kind of stopped but at random times it wouldn't read my controls, such as the take off button becoming the raise volume and the low button becoming the low or volume button becoming the turn off button, and the high and then the raise volume button ends up becoming the take off. So yeah, I hope you know that and have a good day or night. I hope you will do well and